It's so early. Good morning!
Last year it was kind of weird that the impact of penalties on the score was delayed until the end of the match. Well, folks, let me tell you that they made some major changes on that little bug.
Okay, so this is a possible chassis design that we've come up with, and I'm going to explain a little bit. So basically we have this big opening so that balls would be able to come into the robot, so that way we can more easily pick them up and store them. Other than that, it's just a pretty basic rectangularly shaped chassis. We did decide that it would be useful to make it shorter, so that way it would be easier to fit more robots onto the balancing thing at the end of the match, and if we wanted to do that, which after looking at the points, it really only makes a difference in the elimination matches, but it would still be a good thing to have. So yeah.
Here are some different prototypes that groups on our team have been working on. We were looking at different ways to put the ball into the hoop. So we had like this one which was kind of dunking the ball into the hoop. We have some ones that are like cannons, like shooting them into the hoop. And then we were also looking at ways to get the basketballs off the ground. So we were looking at like, that was like the worst demonstration ever, like scooping mechanisms too.
So here's our current plan for the week. There are quite a few things to do, but we're hoping to get them all done. Most of these we're going to try to get done by Tuesday, and the red ones are going to be done by Friday. And if you look here, we have lovely spelling of a word that is supposed to say accelerometer, but it really doesn't.